Hello, welcome to Rising Sun Immigration and Study. Now, you will listen to some daily English conversations in different places and situation. Thus, you will learn vocabulary and improve your English listening and speaking skills. Let's get started.
Hey, have either of you been to the Eiffel Tower in Paris?
Yes, I have. It's a must-see attraction in Paris.
Really? I thought it was just a giant metal tower.
Well, it is a giant metal tower, but it's also an iconic symbol of Paris and an engineering marvel.
I don't know. I'm more of a beach person myself. My favorite place to go is the beach in Bali.
That sounds nice, but I prefer to be in the mountains. My favorite place to visit is the Swiss Alps.
Well, the beaches are beautiful, the weather is perfect, and the food is delicious. Plus, there are so many activities to do, like surfing, snorkeling, and yoga.
Oh, wow. That must be breathtaking.
It is. The air is so clean and fresh, and the scenery is stunning. Plus, there are plenty of outdoor activities to do, like skiing, hiking, and mountain climbing.
You two are so different. One likes the beach, and the other likes the mountains. What about me? I like both.
Well, that's good. Then you can visit the Eiffel Tower, go to Bali for the beach, and then visit Switzerland for the mountains.
That's quite the itinerary.
I'm going to need a lot of sunscreen and hiking boots.
Yes, and maybe a French dictionary too.
Don't worry, Lena. We'll teach you some French phrases on the way to the Eiffel Tower.
And Lil teach you some Balinese words too.
It sounds like a fun adventure. We'll have to start planning soon.
Agreed. And who knows? Maybe we'll discover some new favorite places along the way.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.